Magsiswimming na kami guys. And actually, Martin is nagsiswimming na siya right now. In-enjoy niya talaga. And then, actually, my my dalawang swimming pool doon. But then, in our room, we got a private pool also included in the promotion. So, yeah, enjoy kami. And Martin is already swimming down there. Oh, there's actually this. And, ewan ko ba guys, kung matugkad ba na ako ba? It's because, hindi ako katangkaran. And apparently, it's 1.5 meters there. 1.5 meter. At ako ay nasa mga 1...
And you only 1.2.
Of course not. I am like 1.49.
No more talk. Get into the
48.
water, woman.
Sa swimming na tayo.
Hi guys! If something happened to me, you know, the suspect. You know, wait. Slowly. Why did you fucking go? Sure, you're gonna be surviving. I'm gonna swim here. Wait. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Fuck, you're eating my nose area. You can reach the bottom? No, I cannot. I can reach it, but I don't know. The bottom of the knee side. Look at me. I'm enjoying your pool though.
Yan ang view namin guys. I mean, few walk lang talaga from here. And then, dagat na dyan. There. Tapos, ito yung sa amin. Dito kami mag-stay for 1 week. Ito yung aming pool. Naka-try na din kami guys. Private pool. It's because naka-promo nga siya. There. We're on top of the world. On top of the building. Super nice. Okay, so yan guys, relax na muna kami dito. We went out actually dito lang sa resort na to, kumain kami, and then hindi siya ganun kasarap guys, actually. Yung ano niya, yung kinain ko yung grilled salmon, tapos ano siya, dry ba? Dry yung isda, pero okay na din naman kasi 'di ba? And then yung kinain ni Martin is grilled chicken na parang binarbecue style.
Chicken. It was pork.
Was it pork?
Yeah, it was pork.
Okay.
If you want to.
So grilled pork pala yun, and then sabi niya parang kinulang daw sa lasa. Pero it's okay. It fulfill our hunger. So after no nag-grocery kami ganyan kasi pag bumibili ng mga inumin dito sa mga restaurant ang mahal guys. So we've decided na okay, we go to the convenience store and buy it ourselves, so in that way we could save money. But then it is still in a way expensive because it's like same price in Denmark. Pero understandable because we are in the area where there's a lot of tourists. So that's why the price is, high also, just the same in the Philippines.
Yeah, and it's a convenience store.
Yeah.
It's not like a supermarket.
Yeah. But anyway, that's gonna be maybe we're gonna do it later today or maybe tomorrow, we don't know, let's see. We're gonna go to a real supermarket and, buy the things that's in the right price for Greek people. So right now, we're enjoying our trips in the swimming pool. Martin is loving it. Are you loving it, Dong?
I'm loving it.
Yeah, but there's actually a lot of people not so much, but there's people in the main swimming pool, and there's 2 swimming pool, one for adults and one for kids. It's like a family resort, and then nandun din yung dagat ganyan. So we're gonna go for a walk a bit later. Let's see what's gonna happen, but right now we're just sitting here enjoying our peace. We are on top of the building with our pool and chips and some beer. So yeah, it's a great day. Even if life is good. Even if this morning guys, 4 in the morning, we were already awake because our flight was 7 in the morning, so we had to wake up early and be in the airport around 5:30. And it went okay, but because every time before travel, I always get stressed out. Like I cannot sleep well. Like I get so panicky I get in panic if everything is, you know, in order, the things need to be packed, everything. So even if it's already packed, I still feel like, okay, maybe there's missing something. So that's always the problem with me.
It was missing something.
Yeah, there was missing something. But anyway, we could buy that missing something here. So yeah, I didn't even took a shower this morning. I just like washed my face and then went
Don't tell
directly
that. It should be
went to the airport.
There's no need to.
And then it's 3 hours and a half flying from Denmark to here in Greece, and then from the airport taxi kami, and it cost us 45 euro, and we've researched about it, if you know, if it's the right price. Yes, it is the right price, and yeah, it was okay. It was okay. It was easy because as soon as you get out from the airport, then there's already the lineup of taxi and you just get in. So what happened? And we're gonna be here for a week. Sarap. Hello guys, nakapag-shower na tayo at lahat. And yeah, mamayang konti alis kami and then maghanap na ng dinner kasi it's about, what time na ba? Parang pa 7 ata ng gabi. So yun. See you later.
Take your order, sir. I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, that's like the deepest sea. No one could disagree.
Bye-bye.
Pauwi na kami guys. We've just been done having our dinner, and apparently at the end of the dinner there was like a lot of drinks. What is it called, the drink?
Hagi.
Huh?
Hagi.
Oh, rage. And then it was like in the house, so it was for free. And yeah, I think I'm tipsy today. Was it here? Okay. Yeah, so I'm tipsy today guys, but it was a nice place to eat actually, and I had fish, like fish of the day, and they grilled it like Filipino style, and I also had rice, and Martin got steak as usual. So yon, ang sarap ng aming kain, and it was a good place and it was fun, and at the end may anong tawag doon? Yeah, may free na drinks. Kaya pauwi na kami guys. Uy. I didn't know that when you take... Pasok na tayo. There. Enjoying your holiday, no? You're also drunk.
I just went to have a steak and then something happened.
Guys, look at the view. It's so beautiful. There. It's the nicest thing ever. And in that way there, that's where the beach is. It's so nice. Parang nasa Pinas lang. So yun na nga guys, we just got home from our dinner, and the main reason we went outside is just to eat dinner, and it had a really good food actually. And Martin also had a really nice steak. I had a really nice fish. But then after that, we were offered to have this raki. Is that the word? Yeah, raki drink. Is like a shot, and it was in the house apparently. And then the first time it came in, it was like, oh, it hurt. And then the second time it became fun. The third, the fourth, the fifth, and then I don't know how many shots we've had. So anyway, it was a good night. It was fun, and the people actually there were so nice also and fun. It's like they really know how to entertain their customers. And then yeah, and then now we've decided to go back here because I think I'm a bit tipsy, and this guy too. So it's like, okay.
I'm not tipsy, I'm just drunk.
Yeah, I think he's so drunk. I'm just tipsy. But anyway, so we've decided to just come here and have a little snack and our drinks, and we call it a night. It is a very, very, very nice first day here in Greece. And I don't know if I already told you, but the first time I traveled here in Europe, we actually the first time I traveled in Denmark, we actually traveled also here in Greece, in Chania. Yeah, in Creta. And it was, I think, 9 years ago, 10 years ago. Very long time. And then this is the second time I've been here. And really nice place, and people are friendly, and we have a very, very nice place to stay. We got a private pool up there, and the place there is big. It can accommodate up to 4 people, and we just really got lucky because we ordered our ticket from like the last minute season, like they call it Aubros Raisa. What is the direct translation of that though? The end season?
It's the last minute of the travel.
It's like the last minute travel, and
somebody cannot come cause sick or something.
yeah.
It's like a cancellation trip, I would call it.
Yeah, and then we're able to. Oh, you like the food? Yeah, and then we're able to get the ticket, and now we're here, and it is just 3 hours away.
So somebody been booking this, not us.
Yeah, not us.
We took it over.
We took it over because it was in promotion. So
It's better to get something than nothing.
yeah, and we got lucky, and it's a very big place. It's good for 6 people, as they said in the website, but as I think it's just 4 people because 2 in the main room, and then there's 1 here and 1 here, so I think it's 4. But if you get kids, and and then we get a private pool in there, and we get a kitchen where we can actually cook if we want to, so it could also save some money. But this is our first day here, so we've decided to just eat out and enjoy the day. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed our first day here in Greece.
So